Hey, Gael. Good to see you. How was your weekend? Anything fun happen?
Hi, Miguel. Good to see you too. Oh, my weekend was really nice, actually. Quite relaxing, which is what I needed. How about yours? What did you get up to?
Yeah, mine was good too. Very chill. I spent a lot of time just at home. On Saturday, I woke up a bit late, which was wonderful. No alarm. I made myself a big breakfast, some eggs and toast, and just enjoyed my coffee slowly.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Waking up without an alarm is one of the best parts of the weekend, isn't it? And a big breakfast? Delicious. What did you do after that? Did you stay in all day?
Mostly, yes. After breakfast, I decided to read my new book. It's a detective story, quite interesting. I sat on my balcony for a few hours just reading and enjoying the fresh air. It was a bit sunny, so that was nice.
Reading on the balcony sounds lovely. A detective story, huh? I like those too. Did you finish it?
Not yet, but I made good progress. Then, in the afternoon, I thought I should do something a little active, so I went for a short walk around the park near my house, just for an hour or so to get some steps in. And then I cooked dinner. Nothing fancy, just some pasta with vegetables. It was a simple, quiet Saturday.
That sounds like a really balanced day, actually. Reading, walking, cooking. I like that. What about Sunday? More relaxation or something different?
Sunday was similar. I met my friend, Leo, for coffee in the morning. We just chatted for an hour about work, about our plans, just catching up. It was good to see him. And then, in the afternoon, I did some laundry and cleaned my apartment a little bit, just preparing for the new week.
Ah, the weekend chores. We can't escape them, can we? But it feels good when it's done, right? Meeting a friend for coffee sounds really nice, though. So, your weekend was mostly relaxing at home, reading, a walk, and a friend. Sounds very peaceful.
Exactly. Peaceful is the word. I feel refreshed now, so what about your weekend, Gael? You said it was relaxing too.
Yes, it was. On Saturday, I went to visit my sister and her family. They live about an hour away, so I took the bus in the morning. It was a lovely trip. I listened to music and watched the scenery go by. My niece, Lily, she's 5, was so excited to see me. We played some games, she showed me all her new toys, and we drew pictures together.
Oh, that's so nice. Spending time with family is always great, especially with little kids. They have so much energy, don't they? What kind of games did you play?
Oh, she loves board games. We played Snakes and Ladders and Memory. She's surprisingly good at memory. Better than me, I think. My sister made a wonderful lunch for us. Roast chicken and potatoes. It was really delicious. We talked a lot, just catching up on everything. It was a full day.
Roast chicken. Yum. That sounds like a proper family meal. So you spent the whole day there?
Yes, pretty much the whole day. I left in the evening, around 7 p.m., and got home by 8. It was a long day, but a very happy one. I was quite tired when I got back, but it was worth it. Family time is important, I think.
Absolutely, I agree. So, what did you do on Sunday then, after a busy Saturday with your niece?
Sunday was much quieter. I slept in a bit, not as late as you, maybe until 8:30. Then I just relaxed at home. I watched a movie in the morning, a comedy. It was really funny. And then in the afternoon, I did some gardening.
Gardening? Oh, that's nice. Do you have a big garden or just a small one?
Just a small one, a little backyard with some flowers and herbs. I love taking care of my plants. I watered everything, pulled out some weeds, and just tidied it up a bit. It's very calming. I really enjoy being outside and working with my hands.
I can imagine. It sounds very peaceful, like my reading on the balcony. It's good to have those quiet moments, isn't it? Something to just clear your head.
Exactly. And then I prepared my meals for the week. I like to cook a big batch of something on Sunday, so I don't have to cook every evening during the week. This time, I made a big pot of lentil soup and some rice with chicken.
Oh, that's a very good idea. Meal prepping. I should try to do that more often. It saves a lot of time, I bet. So, lentil soup and rice with chicken. Sounds healthy and delicious.
It really does save time. And money too, because you don't buy takeout. So yeah, my Sunday was relaxing, watching a movie, gardening, and cooking. A perfect end to the weekend, I think.
It sounds like it. So we both had very relaxing weekends, but in different ways. You had more family time and I had more quiet time by myself, but both good for recharging.
Definitely. It's important to have that break, isn't it? To step away from work and just do things you enjoy or spend time with people you care about. Did you watch any movies or shows over the weekend?
Oh, actually, on Sunday evening, after my laundry and cleaning, I did watch a documentary. It was about space, you know, the planets and stars. It was really interesting. I love learning new things like that.
Oh, space documentaries are great. My dad loves those. So you ended your weekend with some learning, and I ended mine with some cooking. Very different, but both good ways to relax, I think.
Yeah, exactly. And now it's Monday again. How do you feel about starting the new week?
I feel quite good, actually. Refreshed. Because I had that relaxing Sunday, I don't feel too stressed about the week ahead. And I have my meals ready, which is a big help. What about you? Are you ready for work?
I think so. I feel much better than last Monday, that's for sure. Sometimes I feel really tired after a weekend, but this time it was perfect. Just enough rest and a little bit of activity.
That's the best kind of weekend, isn't it? When you start the week feeling energized instead of more tired. Did you think about anything for next weekend yet?
Not really, it's still Monday morning, you know. But maybe I'll go hiking if the weather is good. I haven't been hiking in a while. What about you? Any plans brewing?
Oh, hiking sounds fun. I love being in nature. For me, maybe I'll try a new recipe I found, a kind of Spanish paella. It looks a bit complicated, but I want to try it. And maybe meet a different friend for coffee.
Paella. Wow, that sounds ambitious but delicious. Good luck with that. Let me know how it goes. Maybe you can teach me.
I will. If it turns out good, I'll definitely tell you all about it. Well, it was really nice catching up about our weekends, Miguel. It's always interesting to hear what other people do.
Me too, Gael. It was great. Thanks for sharing. Have a good week.
You too, Miguel. Take care.